Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is April 12th, 2025, and here are our top stories. AI Video Gen-4, AI 3D Printing, AI Safety Pressure, AI Music Tool. AI Video Gen-4. Runway ML, the New York City-based company known for its pioneering work in AI-generated video clips, has unveiled the fourth generation of its video generator. This version brings enhanced consistency in generating characters, objects, and scenes, allowing for seamless transitions and maintaining the integrity of light and style across different camera perspectives. Previous versions, like Gen 2 and Gen 3, struggled with maintaining consistency, often altering characters and objects during playback. This new update aims to resolve such issues, especially in animating characters from reference images. However, Runway ML's training data sources, including videos from YouTube and copyrighted films, suggest its commercial use might be limited compared to other models like Adobe Firefly. Runway ML offers an initial free trial with 125 credits, while a monthly subscription provides more credits for generating videos. AI 3D Printing. A team from the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign has developed a novel heat exchanger that could make cooling systems like air conditioners and refrigerators smaller and more efficient. Using 3D printing, researchers designed a heat exchanger featuring elements that enhance heat transfer, such as wavy walls and pyramid-shaped protrusions, forms unachievable with traditional manufacturing. This design emerged from 36,000 simulations using custom machine learning models to predict performance. Tests showed the new heat exchanger cools refrigerants more efficiently than traditional designs. Despite promising results, challenges such as high production costs remain, limiting current applications to niche industries like aerospace and high-end automotive sectors. AI Safety Pressure. OpenAI has significantly shortened the time frame for safety evaluations of its latest language models. Previously, GPT-4 underwent 6 months of testing, but testers for the new model, called O3, have only a few days. Sources note less thorough tests and inadequate resources. As models become more powerful, the potential for misuse, such as in biological or security contexts, increases. OpenAI aims to speed up releases to stay competitive with companies like Meta, Google, and xAI, according to the Financial Times. Previously, OpenAI committed to customized tests to assess misuse potential, which requires specialized datasets and external experts. However, these tests were conducted only on older models. There's uncertainty about how newer models, such as O1 or O3 Mini, would perform under similar conditions. The O3 Mini safety report references a task solved by GPT-4o, but results for newer models are missing. Former OpenAI safety researcher Stephen Adler emphasizes transparency if promised tests aren't conducted. Another criticism involves testing checkpoints, or interim model versions, which are later developed further. OpenAI argues these checkpoints are nearly identical to final models and cites efficiency gains from automated testing. Johannes Heidecke, head of OpenAI's safety systems, states a balance between speed and thoroughness has been achieved, with best practices documented transparently. Currently, no mandatory global regulations for AI safety tests exist, but the upcoming European AI law will require risk assessments for high-performing models. AI Music Tool. YouTube introduces a new AI-driven tool for creators, aimed at generating copyright-free instrumental tracks for videos. Featured in a recent video on the Creator Insider channel, this tool appears in the Creator Music beta section under a new tab called Music Assistant. Users can input prompts such as uplifting and motivational music for a workout montage, and the tool will produce several tracks to review and download for use in video editing. This feature is gradually being rolled out to those with access to Creator Music, enhancing creative possibilities for users without entangling them in copyright issues. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.